Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. Today in this video I am going to explain you about a very powerful meditation technique from the Tantra. This technique is given by Master Osho in the discourse Tantra, the Supreme Understanding. So the name of the technique is Mahamudra meditation. Mahamudra means great cosmic orgasm. If you practice this meditation, you really feel the cosmic state, you really feel the orgasmic state, the same orgasm you feel during the sexual activity, but that orgasm is just a few seconds. But by practicing this meditation, you really feel the orgasm whole time. You really feel connected to this entire universe, to the mountain, to the river, to this sky. You feel really one with this cosmic energy. So Mahamudra means great cosmic orgasm. You can practice it during any time of the day, but if you practice before going to the sleep, you will feel very good sleep, very deep sleep you will feel. And if you have any psychological problem, any depression, anxiety, migraine, like this, any problem you have, you practice before going to the sleep, you will get very effective result within few days. So this meditation is around 1 hour long. The first stage is 30 minutes, second stage is around 15 minutes, and the last stage is Savasana, just relaxing. So 3 stages. And how to do this practice, how to practice it by yourself, I will going to discuss about. Just watch me carefully, listen to me, and you can practice by yourself. So how to do this technique? It has a specific music. You can download the music, or you can ask me, I can give you the music. So in the first stage, you are standing still, you close your eyes and just surrender yourself. Just allow the cosmic energy to come to you. You are not holding anything, you are not doing anything, you are just standing and you just surrender to the cosmic energy. Eyes closed and just allow the energy to penetrate you. And within few minutes, if you are allowing to yourself, if you are surrendering, you will feel the subtle movement of your body. You will feel the subtle pulsation, subtle vibration in your body, and your body will start changing. Your hand start moving, or your head start moving. Whatever is happening in your body, you are just allowing it. You are not doing anything. Let the cosmic energy vibrate within you. Let the cosmic energy come and vibrate within you. You are not doing anything, you are not holding anything, you are just surrendering in this first stage. So this first stage is around 30 minutes long. In the 30 minutes, you are not doing anything, you are just surrendering. The more you surrender, the more you will feel this energy without putting your judgment, without thinking about what is happening to me, just allowing it. This is called Latihan. Very powerful technique to melt, to become one with the cosmos. So 30 minutes, you just allow it, and then the music will change and you proceed to the second stage of this meditation. After the first round, the music will change. Now you are sitting on your heels. This is called Vajrasana. And if you have any problem in your knee, you can put something under your knees, or you can sit on the chair also if you have too much problem. Sitting in this position, you are bringing your spine straight, and you open your palms towards the sky, and your chin is slightly up. You are not bending down, the chin is slightly up. Open the palms towards the sky. Now feel that you are receiving the energy from your head, from your crown center. Feel that the energy is, you are completely empty, and the energy is penetrating within you, and you are filling yourself with the energy. You are just allowing the energy. The energy is coming from the cosmos, from the all around of you, and filling you with the divine bliss, divine joy, divine freedom. And just 1 or 2 minutes like this, filling yourself. And when you do this practice, you really feel your body start trembling or shaking. you really feel the energy, the throbbing of the energy, the pulsation of the energy. And when you feel that you are now filled with the energy, drop your head down, put your forehead on the ground, and just give the energy. Feel that you are now giving the energy back to the Mother Earth. So you are taking energy from the cosmos and you are giving energy to the Mother Earth. What will happen when you receive the energy and when you give the energy? You become completely empty. You are like a medium. You are just a channel. You are receiving the energy and you are giving the energy. You are receiving the energy and you are giving the energy. So do this process 7 times, minimum 7 times. Why? Because we have 7 chakras, and if you do less than the 7, you don't feel that much effect. You don't feel, maybe you will feel sleeplessness. So try at least 7 times or more than 7 times. So taking the energy and then giving the energy. When you feel that now you are empty with the energy, again raise your hands, palm facing towards the sky, and take the energy. Again repeat this process 7 times. After this, lie down for Shavasana, or if you want to go to sleep, then sleep. So this is whole process of Mahamudra meditation. You must try it at least 21 days continuous without any gap. Then you feel the difference in your life, in your mental process, in your physical process. All the things will change. Try this meditation technique, very amazing meditation technique from the Tantra, the Mahamudra meditation technique. So try it and let me know how you felt. So take care all of you. See you in the next video. Dhanyavad.